Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can set up recurring sales invoice on LessAccounting. To set up recurring sales invoice, we need to go to sales section and there's a subsection called recurring invoices. From here, click on this blue button called create recurring invoice. And then we have 4 steps, mainly 3 steps what we will need to go through, and then history would often show any invoices issued at a later point. So firstly, section when, so that means frequency, so how often. Next, so in my case this invoice should be issued on 1st of July, so select your date. And you can select when it ends, either it ends as never, so it's ongoing, or there is particular date. So for example, it will be June 2023, so it's 1 year for this recurring invoice. And then we need to select how often it repeats, so frequency. So this field is for the numbers. So I would say every 1 month, but if you want, you can put every fourth week. So in that case, it means that you will have 13 recurring invoices. It depends from your terms and conditions because there is 52 weeks per year. So in my case, I will have every 1 month because it's monthly invoice. Okay, so there is information how it will repeat, and I can select if this need to be emailed out, yes or no, select which applies. Once you filled in that information, we need to go to template, and this is an invoice template. I can select my customers from a list, or I can add a new contact. Okay, so I will select current contact. Template, I will select this invoice template. You can change currency and you can add tags. I cannot change any details of my business on recurring invoice template. Okay, I can add notes, and here is my item section. So for example, I have product 1 and at rate of 15, and let's say I have 10. Okay, I can add additional description, and by clicking add new line item, it provides another line for new item. Okay, delete if you do not need. There is information about this recurring invoice, and then we can move to third stage, which is called finish. And here, when we click save, that would create a recurring invoice. So in this episode, I showed you how you can set up recurring sales invoice on LessAccounting. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete LessAccounting tutorial, as well as review of this accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me.